how is set connected to geometry? So we can actually, we have already been the analytical geometry and all, we write something like equations and all, right? Actually there is a set concept is running. For example, you have a line and we say that this line's equation is, suppose x plus 2y is equal to, will have a negative slope, right? Okay, let me take x minus 2y is equal to 7. This is positive slope, right? What it means is, this line, if you are going to call it as L, or I can make it as a capital L. That's why I'm going to write like a set. This L fellow is set of points x comma y such that x minus 2y is equal to 7. So if you collect all the points on this plane, right, whose x ordinate minus twice y ordinate is 7, all the collection will give you what? This line. So that means that is also a set concept. Therefore, your equation, what you represent is the geometric representation of the equation is nothing but a set concept. So line is a collection of all the, it's a finite, it's not a finite set, it's a infinite set of points, right? And you are, so if I simply write x comma y, suppose I write a set which is x comma y. Of course, x and y are real numbers. Here, in fact, I can even define that also here. X, y belongs to real. So suppose I have this, okay, such that x, y belongs to real. So what do you say about this set? This is a plane, any point on the plane. But this fellow is what? So this is a set builder notation where you are representing only one point, but that point will vary. How? You can keep on changing this x and y, but there is a condition. You can't choose any x and any y combination. It is only that particular x and y's combination where x minus 2y is equal to 7, and that collection only you are taking this. If you have some other line, then that some other line will have x, y, but there will be a different condition. Therefore, whatever you are writing equations is actually nothing but like a set concept, but this is an infinite set. In fact, if you are going to have a circle, right, circle with, let's take the center to be 2, 3, and let the radius be something like 4 units. So you have an equation. What is the equation of the circle? So any point xy, any point on the circle xy will maintain a distance of 4 units from what? 2, 3. So that's what it means. That means circle fellow is a set. We have x, y such that, right, what is the condition? The distance is going to be 4, or distance squared is 4 squared. And what is the distance squared? X minus 2 whole squared plus y minus 3 is equal to 4 squared, where x, y are real numbers. So this is the, but usually we don't write all these things, we write only this. We write only this part and say it's an equation of a circle. But you should know what is the meaning of that xy, right? Xy is any point on that circle. It satisfies this. That means it's a set of points, right? Whichever satisfies this condition, that collection is going to be what? A circle. Therefore, your geometrical collection of points in a particular manner, I mean, according to the condition, that's going to become a line or a circle or a line segment, or it could be a triangle also. Probably you may not have only one condition, you may have to put 2 or 3 conditions. Even parabola, ellipse, all those things we have seen. So therefore, whatever you have been writing in analytical geometry, all the geometric shapes, you are actually using the concept of set, but you don't write like this. You write only this. But actually the complete theory is you are actually having a set of points of x comma y. The same thing we can go for the 3 dimensions where you have x, y, z. So the 3 dimensions also is the same thing. So you are only collecting certain points which satisfies. Therefore, we are going to talk about the set. And in that set, what is the behavior, other things, all properties, right? Therefore, set is a very important thing. It also gets connected with geometry.